Hey everyone, I just got done applying this product right here, Cerakote's brand new Platinum Rapid Ceramic Wheel Sealant. So this just came out. I'm probably one of the first people to get it, honestly. I like Cerakote's products. Their headlight restoration kit is pretty much the industry standard. Their paint sealant is always really well reviewed. I've used that. So I like the products that they put out. I think they're a really good company. You know, they do a lot of things for industry, and they make some products for firearms and things like that. So I just think they're a neat company, and I wanted to try this product out. So in the past, I had used their paint sealant on wheels, right, on these wheels right here, actually. And so this is my car. This is a 2024 Volkswagen Golf R. It's got performance brakes, and they give off a lot of dust. And so keeping them looking clean and nice has been difficult for me ever since I got this car. More difficult than any other car I've ever owned. They just tend to get dirty really quickly. That brake dust just kind of builds up in layers, and if you don't wash it off pretty regularly, you end up with wheels that look, gray instead of black and glossy. So anyway, so I have been trying out different products to protect these wheels, to help them keep cleaner longer. And so as soon as this became available, I ordered it. And it came in today, and I decided to go ahead and do an application. So, like I said, these wheels already had some different products on them that I've been trying. Nothing that I've been too happy with. Actually, the best product that I've tried so far is the paint sealant. It works well, but I don't think that it's formulated to last in high heat situations like this. So according to Cerakote, this wheel sealant is formulated for, specifically for wheels with the understanding, right, that they get hotter, and that the product will withstand that better. So that's what they're saying this will do. I'm just going to go over the application real quick. It was super simple. These wheels now are as slick as butter, like slicker than any product I've ever put on here. The towel, just glides right over it. There was no issues with streaking or anything like that. Obviously do it on wheels that are cool, right? Don't ever put anything on a hot wheel. You'll regret it. If you've never made that mistake, trust me, you do not want to. So anyway, I prepped these with a light hand polish. Not really with the intention of getting out any swirls or scratches, but just to remove whatever product was on there. I did an IPA wipe down, made sure they were good and clean, and then I applied this according to the directions. So I used a couple of different applicators here. So I used like a terry cloth applicator pad, for kind of the outside and the spokes and the center here, right? And then what worked best for me was I just got a cheap microfiber towel, and I worked that in kind of behind here. I didn't try to get all the way into the wheel barrel, but I really wanted to try and get in these little nooks, back in here. Really well, because that's where brake dust and stuff tends to kind of accumulate, and then obviously just the entire face of the wheel. So I used, like I said, two different application methods. It worked really well. I could see it flash, and then when it came time to wipe it off, super simple, no streaks. I think the wheel looks great. I'm really happy with it. So I will do a follow-up with this. I already put something on my calendar for a month from now. We're going to see if this holds up for 1 month, and how it beads water, how it stays cleaner longer if it does. Anyway, so I'll do a follow-up to this in a month. Stay tuned.